The top and the bottom are from Shein. The shoes are from Public Desire, and the handbag is gifted. And this is a super sophisticated, sexy outfit that I will definitely wear out to brunch with babe or with the girls for Valentine's Day.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
So this is what I would wear if I was going to a museum date or something like that. This would be the fit that I would wear. The turtleneck is from Ross. Pants is from Amazon The Drop. Signed by Blake. Shoes is Ego. Bag is Guess.
So don't you fight it. So don't you fight it.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. Oh, my baby's my baby girl. Yes, no, hurt me so good, baby. Oh, I'm so wrapped up in your love, let me go.
The top is from Misguided. The pants, these are kind of like a cross between pants and tights, but the tights slash pants are from Zara. The shoes are Public Desire, and the purse is from Shein. Super comfortable.
I gave him the drip, they said they up, I got them on it. I bought a new bag, I had to watch, so what you told me. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a listen, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all honest. Vibes a little cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she come. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fire, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night I'm in the movie getting paid. Drip too.
So this dress is from a Jamaican boutique. It's Miss Rich Rush. I'll leave the name in the description box. The shoes are from Shein. This is definitely something I would wear if I'm going to the club on Valentine's Day, and I would definitely wear this with my partner, and I would definitely wear this if I was single. I definitely think you need a short bob or have your hair all the way to the back, kind of like how I have it now, or a high ponytail. When you're doing stuff with a high neckline, you want to make sure you don't have a lot of hair because you want to show off the neckline of the outfit. So this is how it looks. It's giving body yaddy yaddy. So the dress is from J-Lux Label. The bag is Guess. The shoes are from Eagle. This is something I would definitely wear to.
Yeah. I'm too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that trap.
Please comment which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. And forgive me if I'm sweating. I live in Florida and I have these hot ass lights on. So yeah. So this is what I would wear like if I'm going to a museum. Public Desire. Shh. It's a gold clutch because I have on gold accessories and I think it would look great. I don't know why this. I don't even need to have this on, really.